In this video, I will show you all the fees we have when trading futures on the platform KCEX. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on KCEX, you simply have to go down to the video description, click on the first link, and you will get to exactly this page right here. Then you will get the lowest fees possible in the crypto market and 0 withdrawal fees on all cryptocurrencies. Also, after the sign-up, you can go up here to the event center and your new user rewards, where you can easily pick up your exclusive sign-up bonus. As you can see right here, right after you've signed up, you can pick up your first $200 right here, and then after you've deposited and started trading, you can get even more bonuses with up to a total of $370. So to check your fees, you can always just go here to futures fees, and then you will see your current fee rates. If you sign up with the link from the description, you will get the exclusive bonus with the lowest crypto trading fees on the market, which is a 0% maker fee. So maker fee means whenever you're using a limit order. So whenever you use a limit order for opening or closing a position, you pay absolutely no fee at all, which is incredible. And the other fee is the so-called taker fee, as you can see, which sits just at 0.01%, and you always pay that fee when you're using a market order. These fees always occur when opening and closing a position and are calculated on the position size. Here's a comparison between all these different crypto trading exchanges, and as you can see, KCEX is by far #1 with the lowest fees on the market. If you sign up with the link from the description, you will even get this down to 0.01%, and of course the 0% maker fee. This is just incredible, and especially if you're trading larger volumes, you will save a lot of money by having these low fees. To give you an example, if you open a $10,000 position size, of course if you're using a limit order, so your market maker, you pay 0 fees, so nothing at all. And if you're using a market order, you pay the 0.01%, which would mean just $1 of a fee for a $10,000 position size. Lastly, I also want to show you the second fee, which is the so-called funding fee. You will see it right up here. It consists of a countdown and a funding rate. So the fee only applies if you have a position opened exactly in the second when this countdown right here reaches 0, and this countdown will be reset every 8 hours. So if you have a position opened at the end when this countdown reaches 0, it depends on if you're long or short and what the current funding rate is, what the fee will be for you. So this funding fee right here can change depending on the current market conditions, so how many people are long and short. If it is positive, that means you will have to pay it as a long position and you will receive it as a short position. Currently, as you can see, it's a negative rate, so that means you're paying it as a short position, and if you are long, you will actually get it credited if you are in a long position. So this is not a fee that you pay to the platform, it's more of just a switch between long and short positions depending on the current market conditions. As you can also see, this fee rate is incredibly low. It applies automatically to your open position. Sometimes you will have to pay something, sometimes you will even get something credited. Don't forget to create an account on KCEX by using the first link down from the video description to enjoy the lowest fees anywhere and get up to $370 of bonuses. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.